only for high-end computations. While it's true that AI processors are often used in scientific research, space exploration, and other high-level computations, they have plenty of everyday applications as well. From powering the voice assistant on your smartphone to recommending what movie to watch next on your streaming service, AI processors are becoming increasingly present in our day-to-day lives. By debunking these myths, we are not discounting the significance of AI processors. Instead, we are acknowledging the breadth and depth of their applications and their accessibility. AI processors are not just for tech gurus or scientific researchers. They're becoming an integral part of our everyday lives, and as technology continues to advance, their presence will only become more widespread. As we can see, the world of AI processors isn't as black and white as it's often portrayed. Now that we've debunked these myths, what's the real story behind AI processors? Let's get down to the facts. AI processors are designed for a specific purpose: to execute tasks related to artificial intelligence more efficiently. They aren't intended to replace conventional processors, but to complement them, enhancing their ability to handle AI-related tasks. Moreover, AI processors are becoming increasingly accessible. They're no longer confined to the high-tech labs of Silicon Valley or the workstations of AI researchers. Today, they're found in everyday devices like smartphones and home automation systems, playing a key role in making our lives more convenient and efficient. And their applications, they're as wide-ranging as your imagination. From autonomous vehicles to voice assistants, AI processors are powering innovations that were once considered science fiction. So next time you hear about AI processors, remember, they're not just for researchers and high-tech labs. They're part of our everyday lives, and they're here to